Hello, my name is Corey Lagidus. I'm a senior student at Fairmont State University in the College of Science and Technology Department in the Electronics Engineering Department, and this is my project. It is the Commercial Automatic Fountain Soda Dispension System. This project takes a PLC and an HMI and a bunch of other different parts and creates an automatic soda dispension system that you pick a size and a drink, and you pick it on the HMI, and it dispenses it for the size that you've picked based on timers. These are the parts. Starting from the top, we have the water containers, which will be soda containers eventually. They're 2 gallons. Going from that, we have a 1/4-inch tubing all throughout this up until this. 1/4-inch tubing goes to the 120 volt solenoid valves that open whenever voltage is applied to it. More tubing. Right here, we have a brass connector fitting. Connects all of the tubes into one central place that goes to the pump. The pump is a 110 volt pump, 0.1 horsepower. It's a transfer pump, so it just takes it and sends it through. It has actually used garden hose thread, so I had to use a garden hose connector to an iron pipe fitting. Out the other side, that's 3/4-inch tubing, and as you can see, it comes uphill. This is why I would need the pump. It comes uphill, and it falls out at the dispension into whatever size you select. All right, starting with the electronics now. This is my junction box. My PLC is attached to it on the top of it. On the inside, that's where all the fun begins. To the PLC, I have it connected serially to the PLC and the HMI. I do have a network switch in there, and that's what I use to program the two things with. So on the outputs, this right here is the pump. 0, 0 is the pump. 0, 1 is the first valve, solenoid valve. Number 2, the second solenoid valve. 3 is the third solenoid valve. And 4 is the pump again at a different time. The HMI is connected using a 24 volt power supply. So is the network switch right there. I'll show you the 24 volt power supply. So this is a 24 volt power supply. 120 volts comes in, single phase, goes into this box. It converts it to DC power. It comes through here, and you have 24 volts DC going out. So the pump is connected through this outlet, and the outlet is connected into the PLC, so that whenever I say it, whenever you set the correct size and time, it gives energy to that outlet. This wire is the PLC power. This wire is the power to the 24 volt power supply. The wire coming out of here supplies power to this outlet, the very first outlet. All right, so now that I've explained the parts, I'm going to demonstrate for you. If you are listening with headphones, you might want to lower the volume because the pump is loud. So I'll show you the selection. Right here we have the selection screen. As you can see, I have Coke, Sprite, Mountain Dew, 3 different selections. Then I have medium and large, which are my two size drink cups that I have. So I'm going to select a medium. Then I'm going to select a Coke. As you can see, the water's flowing out into the cup. It's coming out through the tube. You can see the water level falling. And now, as you can see, you have a perfect amount of liquid for a medium-sized cup. And now, I'll demonstrate a large for you. Now we'll use Sprite this time. So, go in here, and I'll pick Sprite first, and it's gonna pop that relay. But I have it set up to where it will only start pouring after you select both a size and a drink. You can see the water pouring. You can see the water level going down in this container for the Sprite. Now, you can see a good amount of drink for a large. Now the time varies, or I should say the drink output varies. Sometimes because air gets in this tube. So the more air that's in the tube, the less drink you're gonna have. The less air that's in the tube, the more drink you're gonna have. But the most that I get, it never overfills the cup. That's how I have it set up. It's around 27 seconds for the medium and 36 seconds for the large. And after we're done, so you've enjoyed your drink, I'm going to pour it in here. This is my water refill jug. That's what I use to refill all the 2-gallon jugs. You're ready to go again. If I was to do something different on this design, I would not use a Micrologics PLC. I would use a modular PLC, and I would make everything more compact. I think that it's a little bit too big. And that's about it. Again, I'm Corey Lakatos. This is the commercial automatic soda fountain dispension system. Thank you for your time.